Let's hear from Jonathan, a senior computer information science major who knows a thing or two about technology and innovation. GMercyU has been a leader in innovation for more than 7 decades. From its artificial intelligence lab to immersive nursing simulation spaces and real-time stock trading room, students across all majors are exposed to state-of-the-art technology. Take it away, Jonathan.
Thanks for the introduction, Alex. What's up, everybody? I'm a transfer student returning to college to complete my degree in Computer Information Science, or CIS, with a concentration in cybersecurity. Before deciding to continue my education at GMercyU, I was pursuing a potential career as an ironworker. When deciding to return to college, I was on the hunt for a school that would give me a solid cybersecurity education. GMercyU was a standout option for a number of reasons. As a transfer student with good grades, I received a transfer scholarship that made it easier for me to attend GMercyU. What really impressed me was the hands-on approach to teaching technology at GMercyU. Over the past year, my fellow students in the CIS program and I have worked on projects involving a quadrupedal robot dog and participated in research conferences on topics including artificial intelligence, 3D printing, and computer forensics. Innovation does not end there at GMercyU. Innovative technologies are used by all majors, including the stock ticker room for finance students and the nursing simulation labs. GMercyU is a great choice for any degree because its primary focus is on preparing students for the workforce, regardless of major. This is reflected in my own course of study, which incorporates opportunities for certifications and certificates. It's no surprise that nearly 100% of recent graduates secure employment or pursue graduate studies within 6 months of graduation. With my own graduation right around the corner, I'm looking forward to putting my skills to good use, protecting people all over the country from cyber threats known and unknown. I'm always going to have fond memories of my time here. That's my time, everyone. Back to you, Alex.
GMercyU's commitment to preparing students for the future is apparent. In fact, the new Francis M. McGuire Healthcare Innovation Campus is a place where students from many different majors come together and learn to care for and advocate for patients and to address the next great need in healthcare. Thanks, Jonathan.